All right, I'm always a sucker for color, especially something like this. So what we're gonna do, try and get a little foreground element from this. See if there's a set of color there. All right. Let's get a little wider on that. There we go. Get the Telus building in the background. That'll work out good. And we can even try to get a little bit up on there. Yeah. Have a little framing to it. I like that. All the way into 50. Pretty quiet here downtown, but let's go and try to find a few different colors. I mean, the first color we had there on the building was purple. So these lights are providing a nice little backdrop. Let's get a little closer. Utilize maybe the green. I think even yeah, let's utilize the green. As you can see there, we got some red as well. Let's get nice and low on that one. Boy, I like the yellow. I think I like the yellow more than the green personally. Around the corner here we got Telus building and we got Calgary Tower, both real good options. Calgary Tower is blue tonight. Let's get from the other side of the road. Let's see if we can get a little bit of Telus building in here. Yeah, with that color there. Nice little moody shot. All right. We've got the light, so maybe we can get Calgary Tower real quick here before the lights change. Yeah, let's try to snap that. Beauty. See, this time is, I mean, this type of weather is real good to shoot in because, I mean, there's not as many people because the weather is not as nice, but you get so many cool reflections. I want to utilize this blue here. How can we get a little, yeah, there we go. Funny enough about Blue Vinny, we came here on New Year's Day for breakfast. Might have been a bit hungover. Let's get a shot of this Blue Vinny, why not? That'll do. A little more if we get the diner. Yeah. Can we get the shadow of the Telus building? Yeah, we can. So let's see if we can get there. We got the diner here. A little bit of the shadow of the Telus building in the background. Man, that's working out good. How about right now again? This. Getting on tight. It's moving away. We'll come back to the Telus building, we got time. Alright. head under the bridge. What do we got for time? And see where we're at. Let's get Wednesday room in here because pink. Get someone walking through the frame, maybe. Yeah, right now. Beautiful. So right now I just have my iPhone mounted on the top of the hot shoe on my camera, thus the shakiness. I do have a GoPro that maybe we'll chest mount. Maybe we get a panning shot of a car here, especially with Hudson Bay in the background and the lights. Let's
I'm gonna open a roller just go.
let's see if we can get it on high frame rate. Oh, we got the bus coming up. Let's try to get that bus. We got the light too. High speed shooting. Let's wait here for a few minutes. See what we can get. Okay, I mean, we got the spot. We just gotta maybe get some movement here, some vehicles. I think this checkered cab is gonna be our guy. It's just if he can get moving fast enough. Okay, we got a nice spot here. We ran out of space on that phone, which is even more reason we need to get something a little bit more ideal for this. Alright, so we're gonna go into a little bit more shutter movement. Try to get this bus here. I think we're set up for it. Another stop. Yeah, let's get this bus. Missing headlights. What else we got? Okay. We also have a different view of the Calgary Tower from here. Trying to hide all that construction shit. Get a little reflection there. Brighten this up a little bit. There we go, that works. try to get something driving in front of here for some slow shutter. Slow shutter is really fun in the sense of, like, it really is up to your artistic however you want it. But it does take a little bit to kind of finesse it. And because the cars are always moving, or something's always moving, whether it be a bike or, I don't know, a go-kart, whatever it is, you want to get that shot right away and make sure you're ready for it. So, let's see what we can get here. Yeah, okay. We're gonna go one more car down. I think we found a good spot here. I'm gonna try to get a panning shot with the Fairmont in the background. Let's see how this does. Yeah, we got a red car here. That might work well. We need it not too busy, but like just busy. Oh, we got some nice, isn't bad, but there's a car. And let's try to get another one here and then move to a different spot. One more car coming through. There it is, there it is. There you are, buddy. We're right in your frame. Alright. I'm sure we got something decent out of that. And we got the Calgary Tower. Let's head under the bridge and get a little bit more urban night shots. Let's go into 120 frames per second. Yeah, this is it. We're gonna try to use this bad boy here to stabilize us as much as we can. And we have some nice footage here. I get some more of the snow. So if we can get this car turning here. Yeah, that's the snow we want. Oh, and there was a guy on a bike that we missed. See, things like that in this type of weather are amazing. We just want to try to get some of those shots that not everybody's going to get. And you want to try to get some of those interesting, unique things that, frankly, most people aren't going to shoot, because at the end of the day, some of the time, that's the interesting shit that people love. Alright, let's get this car here turning. Let's get a little lower. Alright, I think we got enough tools. Those purple lights were awesome. See, like those purple lights on that Lexus was a perfect example of something that just I didn't expect, but I'm thinking, just looking at it in camera, that it's gonna be a fantastic end result. I just had the Amazon guy call me, had to let him into our condo. Super convenient. If you're like me, especially as a content creator and watching this, you're probably ham on Amazon too. It's just super convenient. Like, I did a couple things that were same-day delivery today, and I mean, yeah, I get the idea of supporting local, but there's some aspect of your convenience and your livelihood in that. Let's try to get this. Not a huge fan of it, but let's see what we got there. We're gonna need to bring this shutter a lot higher because I had the lower frame rate stuff on there. Or sorry, I had the lower shutter stuff on there, obviously to get a little motion blur in there. I gotta adjust my settings. What are we at now? 1/160th f2.8 and a 2500 ISO. Always a big fan of umbrellas. Let's see what we can get here with that. Alright, that might work. Especially with the umbrella that she's got. Alright. Let's go one more spot and then we're gonna head back home for the evening. We're gonna get the taillights here from this Cayenne. Let's see how it's gonna work. Yeah. Especially with the red down there. Yeah, I'm thinking that that will be something nice. I mean, even this whole corner with the red-green vibe going on. Make some food. Edit tonight. This has definitely inspired me to yeah, this has definitely inspired me to get to YouTube uploads and get at it quick. Alright, so what I'm hoping for, I might be shit quality on my wide angle. I'm not even sorry, yes. So this bar sign could just be like on fire, which it is. Bring it nice and low here. Get this shot. Cool. That's what we came here for, folks. Let's see if we can get just a little bit tighter on that. That was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope there was a few beneficial takeaways from it. If you're still watching this episode and you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. I would really appreciate you taking the time and hitting that sub button. If you are looking to learn a little bit and improve your camera skills, this is the place to be. I'm definitely going to be sharing up some photo, video tips along with some tech tutorials, possibly some lifestyle stuff. So buckle in, it's going to be a wild ride. Let's go.